One voice, please. Silence at the grave. People, one voice. People, thank you. The channel is good to be answered. First of all, it's so sad. It's so sad. Now, no be happiness carry us come here.
No.
That's sadness. I make us gather. We are supposed to gather because of happiness to celebrate. But it's so sad that we are gathered here today because of the demise of the young blood like every one of us. Whose name is Magnus, as we all know this. This Magnus is a victim of the incompetence of our security. Now, excuse you, let me explain. Let me explain. Before I came here, let me just break down something. They actually wanted to stop this because they thought I am political. Maybe I want to do politics for one person against this governor or against this government. But I don't care about politics, it's not my business. We are not doing politics. If person don't die, if security there, we don't go gather here. If there's security there, somebody will come here. A lot of things need to be done. So now, we are going to take a walk to Fish Magnet's office. It will be a very peaceful walk. This walk, the reason for it is simple. First of all, it's a tribute to Fish Magnet and also an awareness to the government. Some of us will be alive for here. We don't reach next month if this kind of thing continues. Don't get to twisted. Some of us were here, next year. Don't talk. If you don't talk, don't think you are too precious. What's happened to Fish Magnet? Some people go say, no, happened to me in a lie. A lie. I have witnessed countless killings in my life. It's just quite unfortunate. That a young man like that will be kidnapped and taken away. And he will never come back again. First of all, the economy does not favor the youth. Sure. But this boy, called Fish Magnet, he will try. Start up something. They hustle. This thing what we do for him is to provide him with security. That's the least. Nigeria of today. Farmers don't go far because you don't know what will happen to you. Not just Anambra, in Enugu State, the other day, just like this Fish Magnet, and so they take in one woman, only son. In Enugu State, in the farms, they rape their women, they rape their young girls, they put stick in their vagina. In Benue, saw the Yelwata incident. Over 200 people were burned and killed. Just never finished. So we are not only talking about this place. This movement we are doing today is to raise awareness on the insecurity around the whole country. Now, the problem of the youth is that we are easily distracted with the next topic. I am telling you, that's another problem. The government knows that if we not talk, we not keep quiet. If I say we not talk, they know they keep quiet. Maybe all these things will not stop. As I'm talking to you now, even all these police I see for here, and they chop them like suya. Not be only you, they fight police, they keep police, they kill army, they sacrifice for they sacrifice army every day. Imagine policemen. Let's leave. No. I know say the natural, the youth, some of us they see police as enemy, army and say, but I'll tell you the truth today. Even all of them, now mumu inside the whole business. That's the truth. In a bid buy food for their family, they don't sacrifice plenty. Do you understand? Fulani where they say bush, make I know use Fulani, not be all of them. I'll use terrorists. I correct myself because I know stereotype all of them. The headsmen in the bush, they get gun where better pass policeman gun. Who they bring that from Nigeria?
Who they give them?
Headsmen get bombed, get bulletproof, get everything. They even get time, they train people inside bush. This country is pretty much surrounded by terrorists. Pretty much surrounded by terrorists. It's not a joke. It's not a joke. If people don't even understand, it's not a joke. It's not a joke. Me, when they talk today, I think the boys stand on black people.
Go for it! Go for it! Go for it!
I am just trying to tell you.
Maybe I'm making right on, sir.
I am just trying to tell you that anybody can be victim at any time. So go straight to business. We are taking one to Fish Magnet's place. Now, Fish Magnet, as a businessman, I want to say it out loud. He died while doing his business. So I beg people in Anambra, before Waka go and reach your office, Master Talker, and I'll repeat them there. People in Anambra still do well to patronize those people's business so that his legacy will not go down. Please, wanna see try. They protect wetin the boy don't use the hand do. You understand? Don't be say the boy die, business die. You don't go encourage any young person to do business. Do you understand? So please, now we'll take a walk in an orderly manner. They will share candle. I don't know whether the candle is there.
Where is the candle, sir?
Where the candle? See, listen.
Yeah, nothing.
Listen. In an orderly manner, we go walk. Police there, police go protect, they go guide. Hold us waka. You understand? In an orderly manner. We'll share the candle now, then we can move. When we get to Fish Magnet's place, we go light the candle, then we go let some people talk. We see they want talk. You understand? Yes. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.